Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on OPPO A79. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth device, always start from the simplest way. So switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode. And how to activate Pair mode, you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But this is not for OPPO. Let's open settings and go to the additional settings. Now look for the backup and reset, choose the reset phone and select network settings. As you can see, the Bluetooth is included here. Now just tap on the reset network settings button and look for your device again. In the next step you can also try to update your system, so you have to open the About Device section and choose Color OS. If you have an update, just install it and check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.